Ka Public Accounts Committee ki yang dorbar thawaan ke jela ha ka khatwai trip kala lengkot ka lalit jurep ya ke jingsna ya ke jingkiang ha Umpling bad ya ka Nongrah water supply scheme ban pentikna ban pensuk ya kalit kawan jekipat ba bad kumjo bekipat ba kinyo ya ka umbam umdi ke babiang. Hashwa banet jurep ikini ki Tylli ki project. Chairman jangka Public Accounts Committee uba Charles Pengrop ulalum ke jingelang bagi khot jangka Public Accounts Committee ha ka ba Iatai sani halor ke jing slam bachna pendap ikini projek ke ban ajing mentoy upat ba. Uba Charles Pengrop ulong balamang kumbasau point laisan klor tengka banchna ke jingkiang ban penyaso ke snong Umpling Nongrah syaduk syaniu shilong. Hendrai kedau jong ke jing shimpor banchna ke jingkiang ke namar ke jing sapriang jong ke klam COVID-19 ha ke jela bat ke jing penjari ki kendon dagi bor penyat distrik. Ulong bahaswa ban kod ubnai leber ke senam arhajar arpuar on sapleno ya ke jingkiang. Nalor kini uba Charles Pengrop ulong ba ke jing shimpor ban pendap ya ke Nongrah water supply scheme ke balamang sun point laisan klor tengka ban penpoi syaki arhajar arspa khandre tuli kilong yeng ha ke snong Nongrah. Kedai namar ke jing kenduk jing ha ke basna ya ke raw water sum bat kalabu ke jing namar ke jing bamdon ya ke telong ke bapaka. Ulong bayak ni ke projek on pendap no mentah ke senam kenang bagendong ke jing mentoy ikipat ba nong snong ban yo ke umbam umdi.
Whereby we reviewed the ongoing projects which are the construction of the double lane bridge at Umpling, connecting Shillong City to New Shillong via Umpling, and also the internal roads which form an integral part of the communication lines between Shillong and again towards Nongrah, and the Nongrah water supply scheme. In the course of our discussion with the officers, we have been made to understand that there has been progress, albeit a little slow. Well, that can be compounded because of the pandemic that brought the work to a standstill in the year 2020, the month of March, and the subsequent fallouts because of the various restrictions imposed by the district administration, which had to be done so to avoid the spread of the pandemic. However, we are pleased to know that this bridge, which is an important connector between the two parts of Shillong, is nearing completion, and we have been informed that by the end of March we will be able to use it, which means the connector will be open from there.
Udkhat ke Public Accounts Committee uba Himalaya Moktan Sangpliang ulapan pau bagatanat PWD kadai ban maramot batchna penbahan okloi ke surok na mau plang balat namar ke jingsniu jong surok na mau plang balat kelakta kayat ke yeng jong kipat ba nonglet nongwan. Ulong bakadon ke jing terwa balamang sanpau klor tengka banchna penbahai ke surok bat ula kentui ke tenat PWD bakan shim kia bat ban sedang no ya ke jing pentrei ya ke ni ke surok.
Is in a really bad shape. Hundreds of vehicles, they ply through this road, coming through from all the way from the southwest Khasi Hills, meaning all the way from Ranikor. Then there are trucks plying, carrying coal. There are trucks, heavy vehicle traffic. And this road has really gone in a very bad shape. I did inquire from the Secretary PWD, and he stated that there is a proposal for an amount of rupees 50 crores from a scheme called NADER. So the NADER scheme, they have sent the projections, but I said that in the immediate circumstances, I think they should take up some minor repair work of the road because it is causing a lot of inconveniences to the travelers along this road. The last few weeks before the restrictions were imposed, we could see hundreds of buses and trucks and small vehicles plying with picnickers going all the way to Khakoi and to the Lauba area. So in this condition of the road, I had requested the PWD department to take up the repair works immediately. So they have assured, and we will see how it goes from here on.